Hello students, welcome to NARS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, Reach for the Top. In our previous session we came to know that Santosh Yadav was very self-asserting girl from her childhood days. After completion of her school education in her village, she enrolled herself in a high school in Delhi. That time her parents refused to pay for her education and she politely informed them of her plan to earn money by working part-time to pay her school fees. Then there was no other way for parents. They agreed to pay for her education. Now let's continue the lesson. Wishing always to study a bit more, and with her father slowly getting used to her urge for more education, Santosh passed the high school examinations and went to Jaipur. She always wished to study bit more, and even her father also started to understand her urge for education and he started to support her. So she passed her high school examinations and went to Jaipur. After completion of her high school education, she went to Jaipur in order to continue her education. She joined Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel. Then she joined Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel. Santosh remembers Kasturba Hostel faced the Aravali Hills. I used to watch villagers from my room going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. One day I decided to check it out myself. Yes, Kasturba Hostel faced Aravali Hills and she used to watch villagers from her room. They were going up the hill and they were suddenly vanishing. They were suddenly disappearing after a while. She always thinking, where do they go? Okay, where do the villagers go? One day, she decided to check it out herself. I found nobody except a mountaineers. So, in order to check, she went to that mountain, but she found nobody except a few mountaineers. I asked if I could join them. Then she asked those mountaineers if she could join them. To my pleasant surprise, they answered in the affirmative and motivated me to take to climbing. For her pleasant surprise, they answered affirmative. Okay, they accepted and motivated her to take to climbing, motivated her to climb Aravali Hills. Then there was no looking back for this determined young girl. She saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarakashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. After climbing the Aravali Hills, there was no looking back for this determined girl, strong-willed girl. She saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarakashi Uttarakashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. She enrolled her name in that mountaineering institution. My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of May. Her college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but that was postponed. That ended on the 19th of May. And I was supposed to be in Uttarakashi on 21st. She was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on 21st. 19th exams completed. Okay, exams ended. On 21st, she had to be in Uttarkashi. So I did not go back home. Instead, I headed straight for the training. So she did not go back home. Instead of that, she headed straight. Headed straight for means went towards. She went towards the training. She went for her training. I had to write a letter of apology to my father without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarkashi. Later, she wrote a letter of apology. She wrote a letter asking sorry to her father, without whose permission she had got herself enrolled at Uttarkashi. Okay, she enrolled herself in that mountaineering institution without the permission of her father. That's why she wrote a letter asking sorry to her father. Thereafter, Santosh went on an expedition every year. Her climbing skill matured rapidly. Okay. Day by day, her climbing skill, it was maturing. Okay. It was developing. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance to the cold and altitude. She developed remarkable means significant resistance to the cold and altitude. Okay. She developed the resistance to face cold and altitude. Altitude means the absolute height of a location. Okay. She was able to face the cold and the height. Okay. The totally different atmosphere will be there in the height, and she was able to resist them. She was able to face them. Equipped with an iron will, physical endurance, and amazing mental toughness, she proved herself repeatedly. She repeatedly proved herself. She was equipped with an iron will. Okay, there was strong will, physical endurance. Endurance means ability to tolerate hardship. Okay, she had ability to tolerate or face hardships. And an amazing mental toughness. These were the special qualities of Santosh Yadav. Okay. She proved herself repeatedly. Okay. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992. Just 4 years after, she had shyly asked the Aravali mountaineers if she could join them. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity. Culmination means the attainment of highest point of development. Okay. The attainment of highest point of development. The highest development, it came in her life in the year 1992. That was very important year in her life. Just 4 years after, she had shyly asked Aravali mountaineers if she could join them. Okay, 1992. Just 4 years earlier, she had shyly asked the Aravali mountaineers if she could join them. At barely 20 years of age, Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. In the year 1992, Santosh Yadav scaled, means climbed Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to make this achievement. Okay, she was the youngest woman in the world to make that achievement. At the age of 20, she climbed Mount Everest. If her climbing skills, physical fitness, and mental strength impressed her seniors, her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. Her seniors were impressed by her climbing skill, her physical fitness, and mental strength. And her teammates, okay, they found or they found her in a different way. Okay, they were impressed by her concern for others and desire to work together with them. Okay, teammates, they were very much impressed by her concern for others and desire to work together with them. Okay, these all things gave a special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. Okay, these qualities gave a special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. Means other climbers, fellow climbers, they liked her very much. Seniors liked her for her physical fitness, mental strength, and climbing skills. Whereas others, they liked her for her concern for others and desire to work together. These all things made her very special. Okay. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.